Hi students, today we are going to learn how to find the place value. यह वीडियो स्पेशली फॉर क्लास 1 to 5, 1 से लेकर के 5 तक के बच्चों के लिए. So here is first means in 45 two digits. We have two digits, ones and tens. Right to left, ones and tens. So place value of ones place digit is multiplied by 1 and tens place digit is multiplied by 10. So find in ones place digit. So find the place value of ones place digit. We multiply by 1, 5 ones are 5, and when we find the place value of tens place digit, then multiply by 10. So 4 into 10, 4 tens are 40. Once again, here we have two digits, ones and tens. So ones place digit multiply by 1 and tens place digit multiply by 10. When we have 100 place digit, then multiply 100, 1000 place digit, then multiply by 1000. This time we find the place value of any numbers. So place value of 5 in 45 is 5 and 4 is 40. Now second example, 309. In this number, we have three digits, ones, tens, and 100. Ones place digit, tens place digit, and 100 place digit. So ones place digit is multiplied by 1. 9 ones are 9. Tens place digit 0. 0 is multiplied by 10. 0 any place. The place value of 0 is always 0 at any place, no matter. If 0 is ones place digit, then place value 0. If tens place digit 0, then also place value is 0. If 0 is 100 place, then also means every time the place value of 0 is 0. So 0 and 3 is in 100 place. So 3 into 100, 300. So place value of 9 is 9 into 1, 9, 0, 0, 300 place. So 3 into 100 is 300. Now third example, 790. Ones, tens, 100. Ones place digit 0 is multiplied by 1, 0 every time. Place value of 0 is 0. So 0 and 9 tens place digit, so multiply by 10. 9 tens are 90 and 7 100 place digit, so multiply by 100. 700. Now fourth example, 4 digits, 4726. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Here we have four digits, ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Ones place digit 6 multiply by 1. Tens place digit 2 multiply by 10. Hundred place digit 7 is multiply by 100. Thousand place digit 4 is multiply by 1000. So 6 into 1, ones place digit multiply by 1, 6 1 just 6, and tens place digit 2 is multiplied by 10, 2 tens are 20, hundred place digit 7 is multiplied by 100 means 700, and thousand place digit multiply by 1000, so 4000. Some more examples, better number, 5 digit or 6 digits. $78,098. In this number, 5 digits, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, and 10,000. We have 5 digits here. Ones place digit multiply by 1, tens place digit multiply by 10, hundred place digit multiply by 100, thousand place digit multiply by 1000, and 10,000 place digit multiply by 10,000. So 8 into 1, 8, 9 into 10. 9 is tens place digit, so multiply by 10, 90, 0, 100 place digit, multiply by 100, 0. The place value of 0 at any place always 0. 8 into 1000, 8000, and 7, 10,000 place digit, so 7 is multiplied by 10,000, 70,000. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 70,000. Now next example, we have 6 digits. Nine lakh 74,205. 5 ones place digit, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So 5 into 1, ones place digit multiply by 1, 5, 0 multiply by 10, 0, 200 place digit multiply by 100, 200, and 4. 1000 place digit multiply by 1000, 4000, 10,000 place digit 7 multiply by 10,000, 70,000, and 9 lakh place digit multiply by 1 lakh. So 9 lakh. Some decimal numbers also here taken. First decimal number 23.57. When we find the place value decimal number, then read left to right and whole number right to left. Right to left ones, tens, and left to right after decimal point we read tens, hundreds, मतलब दशवां शोवां, tens, hundreds, this type, not ten, tens, hundreds. After decimal point we read this type, tens and hundreds. So 7 at hundreds place. When we find the place value after decimal point, then not multiply, we divide. When we find tenth place digit, place value of tenth place digit, then divide by 10. And when we find the place value of hundredth place digit, then divide by 100. When we find the other thousands, when we find the place value of thousands place digit, then divide by 1000. So whole number ones and tens, and after decimal point we read this type, tens, hundreds, thousands, not ones, tens, hundred. So look here, look at the board carefully. Seven is hundredth place digit, so 7 is divided by 100, and 5 is tenth place digit, so 5 is divided by 10, and 3 is ones place digit. You already know that ones place digit is multiplied by 1, so 3 into 1 is equal to 3. 2 is 10th place digit, so multiply by 10. 2 tens are 20. Now 7 upon 100 is equal to tens, hundred, second digit. So here 0 and 7. Also you find divide 7 upon 100. When we divide 100 any number, then take place the decimal point left side, 2 digit left side. So we have here 1 digit only, so we need one more digit, so 0, then decimal point use. So 7 upon 100 is equal to 0.07. You also divide this type, change it into decimal fraction. 7 upon 100 change into decimal fraction, then divide 7 by 100. 7 is not divided by 100, so take 0, 7. Once again use point because we have no digit, so take point and ascend here 0, because after 7 take 0, no problem, no change up. 7 is equal to 7.00, जितने चाहे उतने 0 हम ले सकते हैं after decimal point. 70 is also not divisible by 100, so once again take in quotient 0. Once again 0, 7. This time you also find 0.07, and directly you, when we divide 100, then use decimal point before 2 digits. Now 5 upon 10 is equal to, when we divide any number by 10, then decimal point 1 digit left side. So we have not decimal here, so here, and 1 digit left side, then here. So 0.5. You also divide. 5 is not divided by 10, 0, and take decimal point and ascend here 0. So 10 5s are 50. So the place value of 7 is equal to 0.07, and place value of 5 is equal to 0.5, place value of 3 is equal to 3, and place value of 2 is equal to 20. Let's take next example. $735.309. Left side ones, tens, hundred, and after decimal point tens, hundreds, and thousands. So tens, hundreds, and thousands. 9 is thousands place digit. So 9 is divided by 1000, and 0 is divided by 100. And 3 tenths place digit, so divide by 10. And now whole numbers, 5 ones place digit, so multiply by 1, 5 1 ja 5, 3 tens place digit, so multiply by 10, 30, and 700 place digit, multiply by 100, 700. Now 9 is divided by 1000, so here in 1000 30, so decimal point use left side 3 digit, and we have only 1 digit, so 2 digit take 0, then use decimal points. So 9 upon 1000 is equal to 0.009. When we divide 1000 any number, then decimal point place before 3 digits. 0 place value of 0 all time 0, whole number or decimal number, no matter, because when we divide 0 any number, all time result 0. 3 upon 10 is equal to 0.3. 1 digit left side, use decimal point. Also divide, already you know, 0, remainder 3, use point and take 0, 10 3s are 30. So this type you easily find the place value of decimal number. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और कमेंट बॉक्स में अपना कमेंट लिखकर हमें जरूर बताइए। थैंक यू।